This is about three crazy cat ladies in New York City who find the most amazing homeless cat ever. He's magical. They know they have to find him the most perfect forever home, but nobody wants him. So they hitchhike with him to Bear Mountain. They call a cat psychic. They hide him in the basement of their building and almost get evicted. Nothing is working, but they'll never give up because this is the cat rescue mission of a lifetime. This is Crazy Cat Ladies.